laser beam looks small, precise, and controlled, but in a split second that same beam can cause serious eye injury or permanent damage. The most dangerous part is you might not even realize the risk until it is too late. The Laser Safety Operators course from OSHA Outreach Courses helps workers understand how lasers work and how to stay protected around them. This 29-minute online training course provides essential safety knowledge for anyone working with or around laser systems. Whether you are in manufacturing, healthcare, research, or industrial environments, understanding laser safety is critical for protecting yourself and your team. And since it is fully online, you can complete it anytime, anywhere. Lasers are powerful tools used in cutting, scanning, measuring, and medical procedures. But their precision comes with risk. Laser beams and even their reflections can cause damage to the eyes and skin, sometimes instantly, and in many cases the beam is not even visible. That is why awareness is everything. Understanding how lasers behave and how exposure happens can help prevent serious injuries and keep workplaces safe. Inside this 29-minute course, you will learn how to recognize laser hazards and how different environments affect safety. You will discover how workplaces control exposure risks through procedures, equipment setup, and protective measures. The course explains how workers can reduce risks by following safe work practices using the correct protective equipment and staying aware of their surroundings. You will also gain insight into how organizations manage laser safety and what to do if something goes wrong. These skills help you stay alert, prepared, and protected at all times. Taking this course helps you recognize hidden hazards, reduce exposure risks, and improve overall workplace safety. Once you complete the course, you will receive your certificate of completion, proving your commitment to safety and professional growth. Learn how to work safely with laser systems, reduce exposure risks, and protect yourself from serious eye and skin injuries. Click the link in the description and sign up for the Laser Safety Operators course from OSHA Outreach Courses.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to OSHA Outreach Courses.